In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your bone-in chicken thighs and take the bone off and making sure you leave the most amount of meat still on your chicken before you cook it. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Laura, your internet mom. I'm here to teach you all the basics on how to cook just like deboning chicken. I also want to make sure that you're nice and safe while you do this job. So you want to make sure you use the right knife. I'm using what's called a boning knife, which is long, skinny, sharp. It usually has like a little divot right here. So you can kind of go and carve around the bone, which is what we're gonna do here. Now these chicken thighs have already been cleaned, meaning I've already removed any excess fat. So all I have to do is place them on my plastic cutting board upside down and start deboning. One quick tip is to make sure that your knife hand stays nice and dry so you have a good grip on your knife, and the chicken hand is always gonna feel slimy, and this is the one that you use to separate. Come closer and let me show you how the blade goes into your chicken meat. So what I want to do is find where my chicken bone, my thigh bone goes, and with my knife, I'm going to separate it and almost like poke it, right? So you want to kind of poke and separate, and you can get real close to the bone this way. So just like that, poke, 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 separate it. And once you reach the bottom, you don't want to cut it through, so you can flip around the thigh and start on the other end. So poke, 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 separate slowly like that. And this way you can separate the chicken meat from the bone right here. At the very top, sometimes you can see that the cartilage is attached. So again, carefully just poke, poke, poke and separate, poke, 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 just like that. And this piece right here, you want to always separate it from the meat. And little by little, your bone is coming apart from the thigh meat. And what you're left with is a chicken thigh with the skin on and no bone. So what you're left with is a lot of thigh bones, which are great to make stock. And if you need to clean out that excess fat, make sure to watch this next video. See you next time.